And also, we'd like to thank our viewers today. They're keeping us in the know with their pictures that they're posting on our WKBW Facebook and Twitter pages.
This picture right here is from Route 20 in Sheridan, where high winds knocked down power lines.
Here's another picture. This shows a crew in Orchard Park working to remove a tree that snapped in the wind this morning.
And then there's this picture tonight, a quiet break in the stormy weather, a double rainbow shining over Silver Creek. 7 Eyewitness News brings you the weather from where it's happening. Our reporter Ed Riley has spent the day today checking out the damage south of the city down in Chautauqua County. Ed picks up our live coverage from Dunkirk.
Well, it was a wild, wet and windy day here in Chautauqua County, and as you just heard Aaron say, 62-mile-an-hour wind gust in Dunkirk, and boy, it certainly felt it because we were standing outside covering all the events that were happening here. Now, a lot of people were surprised that there was not as much damage as they expected, but there were still plenty of problems that had people dealing with Mother Nature's fury.
Very crazy, very windy. It's very hard to walk in it.
Nasty. It's not comfortable.
One of the most serious problems happened in the town of Sheridan. A large limb came off a tree, breaking the top off a utility pole that carried a main power line supplying electricity to approximately 150 homes. Route 20 was closed while National Grid made repairs, the workers having to go up in buckets while the wind was howling.
Our crews, will work in some pretty tough conditions, but there are safety concerns, and there are times in severe windstorms where we have to kind of wait for the worst of it to blow through before we can get buckets up in the air and get crews working.
The effort was much appreciated by residents like Terry and Gail Pfluger, who lost electricity for around 4 hours.
The wind has been terrible.
Being in 50s to 60-mile-an-hour winds at this time of the year is not normal.
But the Pflugers had their candles ready just in case.
Channel 7 News has kept us abreast of what we should expect.
The power line went down with it.
Things were much more stressful for Julie Alessandra and her family on Middle Road in Dunkirk. A loud crash sent them running outside to find that a large tree had blown over, damaging their home and crushing the back end of a pickup truck.
Crushed truck that homeowners insurance says they don't cover.
For most people, the windy weather caused minor inconveniences, knocking over yard decorations, causing wind turbines to spin wildly, and bringing down tree limbs and branches.
Just another windstorm.
But one that keeps you on your toes.
Keeps us busy.
As of 4 p.m. this afternoon, National Grid reports that all the electricity has mostly been restored. Only a couple of problems remain. But a lot of people feel this storm is just a reminder of what's to come. More on that coming up at 6 p.m. But right now, we're going to send it up to Hannah Bueller, who has more on this windstorm from Route 5 in Hamburg. Hannah?